Did you know US tariffs could benefit India? Sounds surprising, right? But a new Niti Aayog report says India might gain major market share in global trade, especially with the US. What the report says: Niti Aayog analyzed the impact of the US tariff regime, and here's what they found. India can gain market share in 61% of its exports to the US. We now have a tariff edge over China, Mexico, and Canada in key areas, like nuclear reactors, iron and steel, vehicles, textiles, and electrical goods. Risks and opportunities. But it's not all smooth sailing. In some areas, India still faces a 1% average tariff disadvantage. Still, we have big opportunities in both high-value sectors, like electronics, and labor-intensive sectors, such as textiles and apparel. What India should do: goods. So what can India do? Niti Aayog recommends: expand the PLI scheme to labor-heavy sectors. Rationalize electricity tariffs, reduce cross-subsidies. Improve the AEO program. Launch targeted export promotion missions. And push trade deals like India-EU FTA and Jan Vishwas 2.0. What about services trade? And for the services sector? Negotiate FTAs like the India-UK model. Expand mutual recognition agreements, MRAs, to increase global job access. Fix licensing and data compliance issues. And invest in innovation in areas like fintech, digital health, cloud tech, and edtech. This is India's chance to turn global disruption into strategic opportunity. Like, share, and follow for clear breakdowns of policies that impact India's future.